Here's a way you can prove the flat Earth theory without a doubt. Ready? The Suez Canal. That's right. This incredible structure spans over 120 miles and remains perfectly level the entire way. No dips, no inclines, just a straight line of flat water. Now, if we were living on a globe, wouldn't you expect at least some curvature over such a long distance? So why isn't it there? Think about this. The Suez Canal connects the Red Sea to the Mediterranean, allowing ships to travel seamlessly in both directions. But if the Earth were curved, there should be some noticeable drop-off, even a tiny one, along those 120 miles. Instead, it's entirely level. Why is that? Here's something you can try yourself. The next time you're on a plane, record the entire flight. Let your camera run and you'll notice something: no visible curve. The plane doesn't dip its nose forward to adjust for the supposed curvature of the Earth. And if you're curious, ask the pilot if they account for the Earth's curve during their flight. Odds are they'll say no. Even more telling, gyroscopes used in aircraft don't account for curvature either. If these precision instruments don't adjust for it, why should we believe the curve exists? And here's another point to consider: emergency landings. When you examine flight patterns and emergency landing locations, you'll notice they only make logical sense when plotted on a flat Earth map, one that looks a lot like the United Nations logo. On a globe, these routes and landings are bizarrely out of place. Now let's talk about water. When you spin water in a bucket, does it form a ball? Of course not. It bulges outward. Water always seeks its level. It doesn't bend or cling to a sphere. So why do we believe oceans are curving around a globe? But here's the big question. If all of this is true, why would anyone lie about the shape of the Earth? What's the motive behind convincing us we live on a spinning ball? The answer might be simpler than you think. Money. Space exploration is a trillion-dollar industry. NASA alone takes in $69 million a day from taxpayer funding. That's more than all McDonald's locations worldwide earn in a single day. You can verify that yourself. The truth doesn't need endless reinforcement. It stands on its own. Lies, however, require constant repetition and your belief to survive. So why is the globe model so aggressively promoted while flat Earth ideas are ridiculed? Maybe the truth about our world is something they don't want us to discover. Maybe questioning the narrative threatens the system they've built. It's worth thinking about, isn't it?